Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Lauren Hayes, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, the Australian share market is expected to open lower. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.2% fall. Yesterday, the Australian share market closed 0.14% higher at 7,805 points. CBA's March quarter profit dropped 5% compared to the same time last year to $2.4 billion. The country's biggest lender said home loan lending volumes grew 3.1% in the March quarter on an annualised basis compared to the December quarter. CBA also reported an increase in operating expenses by 2%, with operating profit dipping 1% and operating expenses in the first half of financial 2024 at $3.06 billion. CBA posted a rise in consumer arrears greater than 90 days on home loans, credit cards and personal loans, with all three metrics climbing since December 2022. JB Hi-Fi reported Australian same-store sales down 0.3% and the Good Guys sales 0.8% lower in the March quarter compared to the same time last year. But JB Hi-Fi New Zealand same-store sales have lifted 2.9% in the March quarter versus the same comparable period. The Good Guys sales, however, have slid 7.3% over the 9 months to March 31. The company said in a challenging and competitive retail market, sales remained in line with the group's expectations. Baby Bunting has downgraded its pro forma profit guidance for the financial 2024 to between $2 million and $4 million. The specialty maternity and baby goods retailer said same-store sales are 7.4% lower over the 9 months to March 31 compared to the same time last year. The company said softer demand was driven by cost of living pressures and price competition. Looking overseas now, and US markets closed mixed. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.4%, the S&P 500 closed unchanged, while the Nasdaq Composite fell 0.2%. European markets closed higher. London's FTSE gained 0.5%, Frankfurt added 0.4% and Paris closed 0.7% higher. Turning to Asian markets, Tokyo's Nikkei dropped 1.6%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng fell 0.9%, while China's Shanghai Composite closed 0.6% lower. That's the latest from the ASX at Breakfast.